So today we are going to be unboxing the Tecno Spark 10 5G. This is the 64GB ROM version with 8GB of RAM. Okay, let's take a look at the box. So you have some information at the back, 50 megapixel ultra clear rear camera, 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging, 6.6 inch HD plus screen, 90 Hz refresh rate, octa-core processor. And yeah, what else do we have over here? Some more information. And this phone sells for just under 6,000 Rand. It's even on sale on Takealot at the time that I recorded this video. So let's unbox it and see what's inside and take a look at the phone. The box has a nice finish as well. And this is something that I haven't seen before on a phone. You have to pull over here to break the seal of the box. So this is definitely something new. Speed up, spark up. Okay. Okay, that's now broken. So we can now open the box. Okay, let's put that here. So yeah, we have the phone, the Tecno Spark 10 5G. It has a 6.6 inch HD screen with 90 Hz. It's a drop screen. It's 64 gigabytes of storage. It's 8 gigabytes of RAM with 4 gigabytes extended. There's a 50 megs dual rear camera, 5000 mAh big battery, and it's dual SIM. And you can also buy now and pay later. And over here it says that there's a free protective cover and free earphones. So that's also very exciting. So let's remove the phone, which we will come back to now. And let's just see what's under the phone. Over here, we remove this. Okay, here we have the clear cover. That is very nice. We'll put that on a bit later. And then over here, we have the power brick. This is an 18 watt power brick, so you can do fast charging. Very nice. Okay, and over here we have, let's see what we have. We've got a USB cable. It's a Type-C, very nice. And we've got earphones that connect with a headphone jack. That is something we haven't seen in a while. So really nice to have these in the box. And to have a power brick, because Samsung doesn't include these anymore, and also a case, which is something you don't see on other phones. So, oh, and we also have the SIM ejector pin over here. So the Tecno Spark 10 5G so far looks like a great phone just by looking at what is in the box. So let's put all of this to the side for now, and we will take another look at this later on as needed. Right, back to the phone. So here we go. We're going to remove the protective cover. First we are going to open this section over here. And then we can remove this. Okay. Then ooh, look at that beautiful screen. I'm loving the design of the phone. I'm not going to remove the sticker because this phone has to be returned, but have a look at the back, how it changes in the light. the light reflects on the different panels. Look at that. So yeah, we have the Tecno Spark 5G branding, and here's the cameras, the 2 lenses. Check that out. So this is the wide angle lens and this is the telephoto lens, I think. Okay, and this is a plastic finish on the back, but it feels very premium actually. So let's see what you got around the phone. So at the side of the phone you have the power button and the fingerprint sensor also built in here. You've got the volume rocker, okay, and at the bottom you got the speaker, the USB Type-C ports, headphone jack, microphone. Okay, here is the SIM tray, which we're going to open now. And I think that's it for around the phone. Right, so let's open the SIM tray. So this is a dual SIM phone, so you can either use 2 SIM cards or you can put an SD card in here if you need more space, which is really handy. And at the front of the phone you have an 8 megapixel selfie camera. So let's turn on the phone by holding in the power button. Starting up, Tecno powered by Android.